Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure After Effects to correct audio waveform timing. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open Adobe After Effects on your computer. Import the audio file that you want to work with. Drag the audio file onto the timeline. Create a new composition by clicking on Composition in the menu bar. Select New Composition. Set your desired composition settings and click OK. In the timeline, expand the audio layer by clicking on the small triangle next to it. Right-click on the audio layer and select Keyframe Assistant. Choose Convert Audio to Keyframes. This will generate. In this layer, you'll see three properties: left channel, right channel, and both channels. Choose which channel you want to work with by dragging the relevant property to the timeline. Now, create a null object by going to Layer in the menu bar. Select New and then Null Object. Rename the null object for better organization. With the null object selected, press P to bring up the position property. Alt-click or Option-click on Mac, the stopwatch next to the position property. This opens the expression field. Drag the pick whip from the position expression to the property you're working with in the audio amplitude layer. This links the position of the null object to the audio waveform. Adjust the expression if needed, for example, multiplying by a factor for more dramatic effects. Now, keyframe the position of your layers or other elements in your composition. Preview the animation to see how it reacts to the audio. Make any necessary adjustments to the timing or expression to perfect your audio synchronization. Once you're satisfied with the results, you can render your composition. Go to Composition and select Add to Render Queue. Set your render settings according to your needs. Finally, click Render to complete the process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.